Good morning! How are you this morning? I am so excited for my day. Today I would like to share with you my ABC strategy that will help you overcome your pain. Actually, pain is great for us. It is our amazing company along the journey. Why am I saying this? Because without pain, we have no gain. No pain, no gain. However, too much pain can kill our creativity, destroy our success. How can we deal with the pain in order to gain our strength? I come up with my ABC strategy. Number 1, A is acknowledge. Acknowledge your feeling and release it. And how we can release it? We need to talk. I used to be the one hold on my pain and didn't talk about it. And one day, when it's come to too much pressure, I exploded with someone who close to me. It wasn't the right way. We need to release it by talking about it with someone that we trust and we feel comfortable with. In this way, when we release the pain, it will help us release the pressure inside of us. Number 2, B stand for be willing to let go. Dr. Wayne Dyer is the motivational speaker that I love dearly. I love him so much. And he said, we need to give up our personal history. If we still thinking about the past, something that we made a mistake, or thinking to someone that hurt us, we never be happy. Hold on to the personal history, never make anything better in the future. So B is stand for be willing to let go. 3, C stand for challenge your perspective. Everything happens for a reason. We can learn about it. We all can learn about the situations that happen to us, either good or bad. When something bad happened to me, I always ask myself, how can I learn from it? What the lesson from this situation? When we think about this, we always find a good answers of this situation, and we always come out smarter than before. Everything happens for a reason. It depends on us, how we think about it or how we see it. Challenge your perspective. See the positive side in every situation that happens to us. You will learn that actually nothing bad ever happened to us. All of them are good because it always moves us to the better situation in our life. Remember to challenge your perspective because there are positive sides in every situation. This is all I have to share with you today, and I hope it is useful for you to adapt to your daily life. A, B, C strategy. Acknowledge, be willing to let go, and challenge your perspective. I hope you have a great day. See you again next time. My name is Lata Bunmi.